Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the bottom cover, battery, optical drive or optical drive dummy, hard disk drive assembly, or solid-state drive, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, top cover, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable for later replacement. Carefully remove the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover and NFC antenna. Remove the tape that covers the NFC board. Peel back the retention tape and use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the NFC antenna ZIF connector and disconnect the NFC antenna ribbon cable from the NFC board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully remove the NFC antenna from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Replacement. Place the NFC antenna into position on the top cover and apply pressure to adhere it into place. Insert the NFC antenna ribbon cable into the NFC antenna ZIF connector on the NFC board. Press the locking bar down and replace the retention tape to secure the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Replace the retention tape that covers the NFC board. Apply pressure to the length of the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable to adhere it to the NFC antenna and top cover.